Have you ever paused while sweeping the house at night and wondered, could this simple act have a deeper meaning in Islam? Is there a connection between our daily chores and the teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Many of us have heard different cultural beliefs or even warnings about sweeping at night. But what does Islam truly say about this? In this video, we'll uncover the guidance from the hadith and Islamic teachings regarding sweeping at night. We'll also explore how such practices relate to our faith, daily habits, and intentions. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of this topic and its relevance to your life. Let's start. Why sweep at night? By addressing an important question. Why do some people associate sweeping at night with loss or misfortune? This belief, common in many cultures, isn't directly tied to Islam, but rather to historical circumstances. In the past, homes didn't have electric lights. They relied on candles, lanterns, or moonlight. Sweeping at night often led to valuables, such as coins, jewelry, or small items, being swept out with the dirt. Imagine accidentally discarding something important because it was too dark to see. Over time, this practical concern evolved into a superstition passed down through generations. But here's the crucial part. Islam separates cultural traditions from religious obligations. If you've heard warnings about sweeping at night, it's essential to understand whether these beliefs align with authentic Islamic teachings. Hadith. Let's turn to the hadith for clarity. First, Islam places significant emphasis on cleanliness and organization. In fact, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Cleanliness is half of faith." This hadith highlights how maintaining cleanliness is not just a mundane act, but an integral part of our spiritual journey. Whether we clean our homes during the day or at night, the act itself is praiseworthy, if done with a good intention. However, some narrations mention sweeping at night in a cautionary tone. For example, certain scholars have cited weak narrations that advise against sweeping at night. Associating it with potential loss or harm, it's crucial to understand that these narrations are not classified as sahih, authentic, but rather as da'if, weak. This means they don't carry the same weight as authentic hadith and should not be used as a basis for strict religious rulings. So, what does this mean for you? Intention. If you sweep at night, you're not doing anything wrong. Islam does not prohibit this practice. Instead, our faith encourages us to act with intention and wisdom in everything we do. For example, if sweeping at night is convenient for you due to your work schedule or family responsibilities, then it's perfectly fine. What matters is your intention to maintain cleanliness and order in your home. Let's dive deeper into the importance of intention in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Actions are judged by intentions." This means that even a simple act like sweeping can become an act of worship if done with the right intention. When you clean your home, think of it as creating a peaceful and welcoming environment for yourself and your family. By doing so, you're fulfilling a responsibility entrusted to you by Allah. Barakah, blessings. Another aspect to consider is the concept of barakah, blessings. A clean home invites barakah into your life. The presence of dirt or clutter can lead to discomfort, stress, and even disputes within a household. On the other hand, a tidy and organized home promotes harmony and tranquility. Sweeping the floors, whether during the day or at night, contributes to this positive environment, making your space more conducive to prayer, reflection, family bonding, spiritual dimensions of cleanliness. Let's also reflect on the spiritual dimensions of cleanliness in Islam. Physical cleanliness is closely tied to spiritual purity. Before performing salah, prayer, we purify ourselves through wudu, ablution, or ghusl, full-body ritual purification. Similarly, maintaining a clean home is a way of honoring the blessings Allah has given us. It's a way of showing gratitude for the shelter and comfort we enjoy. Fear and superstition. Some people feel uneasy about sweeping at night due to superstitions, but it's important to remember, superstitions have no place in Islam. Our faith is based on trust in Allah, adherence to the Quran and Sunnah, not on unfounded fears or cultural taboos. If you feel uneasy about sweeping at night, remind yourself of Allah's words, and upon Allah let the believers rely. Quran 14:11. Place your trust in Him and let go of baseless worries. Islam also emphasizes practicality and flexibility in our daily lives. For example, if sweeping at night helps you maintain a clean home because you're busy during the day, then it's a practical solution, not something to avoid. The key is to act with balance, avoid wastefulness, dispose of trash properly, be mindful not to sweep valuable items away by accident. Summary. Let's recap the key points. 1. There is no authentic hadith that prohibits sweeping at night. 2. The belief that sweeping at night brings loss or misfortune is rooted in cultural traditions, not Islamic teachings. 3. Islam emphasizes, O intention, O cleanliness, O gratitude in all aspects of life. 4. Superstition should not guide our actions. We should rely on Allah's guidance instead. So, the next time you pick up a broom at night, don't let fear or doubt stop you. Instead, reflect on your intentions. Make a simple chore meaningful. Say Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Before you begin, ask Allah to bless your efforts. Remember, even small actions can become acts of worship when done with the right mindset. Conclusion. As we conclude, let's revisit the timeless words of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Cleanliness is half of faith. These words remind us that Islam is a religion of balance, practicality, and wisdom. By keeping our homes and hearts clean, we draw closer to Allah, invite His blessings into our lives. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. I hope this video has brought clarity and encouragement to your daily routines. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe for more Islamic reminders. May Allah bless you and your family with peace, harmony, endless barakah. Assalamu alaikum.